The project is Targeted Youth and Family Engagement Project. When the pandemic hit, we had to adapt our project massively. We set up Zoom calls which the young people would engage with on a weekly basis. We created activity packs for them. The allotment was set up to try and improve the well-being, and obviously we weren't allowed to meet indoors, so we thought what a perfect thing really is to try and get somewhere where we can do activities outside. The reason we picked an allotment then is to teach the young people new skills. So a lot of our young people are now, from growing their vegetables here, have started growing them at home.
In COVID, we started Zoom cooking. That was really fun. And then we did some camping inside. We've been planting very good stuff, carrots and some cabbage, and some cucumbers.
I learned to cook hash browns and pasties. I managed to make new friends, and it was good because it was boring in the pandemic. It gave me something fun to do.